great thing with this system is it's got what I consider to be the best navigation system, music system, phone and so on. And it's Apple CarPlay. Oops, nearly deleted all my stuff. So just the charging lead, put the charging lead in the USB port, and then there we go. You see that CarPlay, turn that down. It's just picked CarPlay up straight away. Sometimes, there you go, CarPlay, finish setting up CarPlay, so that's what I want to do. Allow CarPlay with Ioniq 6 while phone is locked, allow. And it's already brought up Apple CarPlay. Now, let's just say if I click on there, you'll see there, you've got sat nav, you've got the track that's playing, it tells me how quickly I can get home. But really, that's all the system you need. Apple CarPlay, fantastic.